I'm going to show you what this student website looks like now. So right now we have File, Save As. You're going to save it index.html. And we've been saving everything to our desktop. Hit Save, and then I'm going to show you the website. Double click on index. Here's the website. So right after the picture right here, so hi, my name is Alyssa, we could have a break right here. We could have I own this website with Emiliano and Melania. Then we could have a break. We could have another break. So we're going to get some breaks and give this a little organization. All right, so we're going to go back to our notepad. So after the image, we're going to BR, get a break right there. I'm just going to copy, and then I'm going to paste this after, hi, my name is Alyssa, I own this right here. We'll have another break. And then I'm just going to, Control V, paste. We'll have 2 spaces, maybe even 3. Welcome to our site. We are student entrepreneurs. Have a break here. And an explanation. And let's see what it looks like. So we got a couple breaks in there. We are going to type another paragraph. But for now, let's just focus on the line breaks. So File, Save As, index.html, save to the desktop. Yes, you'll replace the old file, and then I'm just going to refresh, and then notice what happened. So after the picture, I put a break. So you see here's the line break. Hi, my name is Alyssa. After her name, I put another break. And then over here, I did 2 breaks, so you'll see the extra space. And then I also did another break after entrepreneurs. So you're going to practice this. Give me like at least 4 breaks. And then you're going to see how neat, how much nicer it looks. And that's it for now. So we'll take it step by step, one tag at a time. So right now, what I want you to do is work on this break, the line break, and give your home page some style. Thanks for watching. Bye.